What's up, family? Today we up almost 2%, $242. We at 16,644. We got $685 in our buying power, and everything's moving up. Let's see, we got XRP at $3, BTC at 113,500, Solana's at $223, and we've been buying, family. We got 2541 on XRP, 2,541 coins. Bitcoin, we got 0.2, so that's 2 million satoshis. We working on 3. Solana, we got 2 coins, 2.3. Solana been paying us every week too, so that's good. And then Chainlink, I don't even have this one anymore. I sold this to get to 2 million satoshis in Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? I sold this. So it's nothing in here. That's kind of funny, but it's up on a position I ain't even got nothing on. But that's all right too, because it's still running from where I had it. But then we got Nvidia. We bought 10 shares. We got 10 shares. I had bought some more Nvidia. It dropped down 165, 66. We bought a couple more shares. Brought our dollar cost average up to 125. We up 40% on Nvidia. Google, man, Google been running, y'all. We got 6 shares of Google. We bought it at 176, 175, and then it paid us a little dividend. And Google up 35%, y'all. I was telling y'all, hop on that Google. That's how it be, though. That's why I just want y'all to invest and hold. That's why I don't talk about the portfolio that much no more. Just want y'all to be holding, family, and not even worrying about it. Amazon, we up 21% on Amazon. We got 4 shares. Dollar cost average 195. It's at 237. You see where it's at. Palantir, we just added that one. We had actually traded Meta, bought Palantir, and then we went and bought Microsoft, right, for that Meta. Meta treated us well. We up on Palantir currently 6%. Dollar cost average 155. It's at 166. Microsoft, we bought it right at 500, and we up slightly on Microsoft. But you know, I like Microsoft because they own half of OpenAI, so that's why we be on these shares. And then I'm gonna show y'all something else. I'm finna get in here and I'm finna buy SCHD. Let me see. I'm gonna show y'all. This is how you buy stock. SCHD. Right? Me go grab like 10 shares of that. No, I want G. I'm gonna show y'all why. SCHD is cool too, but I want the growth cap index. And check this out. This is $31, and you're gonna get paid a dividend from SCHD. SCHG. This is the ETF that I really like for people to be in, because if you go look at these top 10 holdings, right? I like to teach y'all this. You go look and see what's in there. It got Nvidia, it got Microsoft, it got Apple, Amazon, it got Google, Alphabet. That's Alphabet. Alphabet is Google. Meta, Tesla, Visa, and Visa banking, because Visa been running. And then it has the other Alphabet in there, because they have Class A shares and Class C shares. That's why it's Alphabet Class A, Alphabet Class C. And the classes is just based on voting rights, right? How much, pool you have, based on if you have preferred, whatever. If you have preferred share, you got Class A, Class C. that's based on what you can do, you know, with those shares, based on what your class is. That's all that means. I can go in deep on that some more, but I want some of this, y'all, because understand that I got NVIDIA, I got Microsoft, I got Amazon, I got Alphabet, right? So I want exposure to this. I want to get paid off what I'm holding. So let me go buy 10 shares real quick. That'll work. And we just gonna go by it like that. You press done. And now we got SCHG working on it. See that? Y'all see that now? We got 10 shares of SCHG now. Right? Working. But everything's doing well, family. Everything's doing well. So we just need to stay on the course. Don't get sidetracked, family. Stay investing. Invest the money that you don't need right now. So $20, $50 every other week. And see, y'all look at this account, and this account then grew to 16,000. But secretly, I was putting a little Roth together for my son over here, right? And it's at $1,100. We didn't put $600 in. You see this? And it's the SPY over here. And then he got OT, 50 shares of OT, and BTCI, right? And then I think I'm gonna add OMAH back in here, because I had it in here, I took it out, bought some OT, built that out, and now I'm finna to get OMAH back, because I like OMAH, or SCHG, you know, I like that one too, because that one gonna give you some growth. Like, because if you look at the SPY, whatever, you know, if you look at any one of those, you can go see, like SCHG. Like, let's go look at it. For the week, it's up 2%. For the month, it's up 2.35. For the 3 months, it's up 10%. Year to date, it's up 11%, right? For the year, past year, it's 27%. Past 5 years, 121%. And this is an ETF, y'all. So think about it. Getting 125% in 5 years, and you just sticking money in here, and it's paying you off based off what you're getting and making, right? So this is why I'm finna start to go into stuff like this. And this is a safe play. I like this for y'all, right? But y'all stay on me, stay blessed, stay healthy. Peace.